Благодарю за то, что вы приняли наше приглашение. Спасибо большое, что вы пришли к нам в студию. Thank you very much for joining us and accepting our invitation to come.
We have not been officially notified by the government of Russia about this arrest yet, but this is a case we have been tracking since May, when the Russian government seized her passports and prevented her from leaving the country. We haven't made the details of our work public until now because we thought it was not helpful to the cause to get her to leave, but this appears to be another case of the Russian government harassing U.S. citizens.
Азатлык тыңлаучылары һәм укучылары өчен сез билгеле мәшһүр шәхес.
Ne yapılacak olsam onu yapmaya çalışacağım. Ama her bir toplumun